What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today we're going to unbox the Oppo band style. This is one of the affordable smart bands that are available in the Indian market right now. But this one got some really cool features that you may not find on other smart bands from brands like Xiaomi, Realme, Redmi and all the other niche brands. Now we're going to unbox it, but before unboxing, let's check out the quick features. So as you can see, it comes with 1.1 inches AMOLED display. It comes with two wristband inside the box. It comes with SpO2 monitoring. It comes with real-time heart rate monitoring. It comes with 12 workout modes, and it comes with 15-meter water resistance, which translates to 5 ATM as you can see here. And it comes with 100 mAh battery. Oppo claims that this battery can give you about 14 days of power usage. Now let's unbox it. By the way, this band retails for 2500 rupees and you can buy it online and offline as you like. So once you unbox it, you are presented with the quick start guide, and it comes with safety guide as well. Let's keep it aside. This is the smart band. Let's keep it aside for a bit and see what else in the box. So as you can see, it is the charger that it comes with. It's a clip-on charger, no magnetic one here. So that's it. And this is the second band that I told you about. So this is, I think, only smart band that comes with two straps inside the box, which is a really good thing. So that's the one. This is the sporty one. The one that is applied already is the classic one. So I'm going to tell you about both of them later. First, alright, now let's talk about everything one by one. So let's start with the charger. So this is the charger. It's a clip-on charger as you can see, and it comes with this much long cable. Alright, this is the sporty strap. It's made of TPU, I guess, and it looks really good, but the feeling of this one is not as good as this one. I'm not saying that the feeling is bad or anything, but it's not as good as this one because this is made of some rubber material and it feels really good on the skin. The only best part about this one is that it makes you feel like you can use it when you're not even working out. You can use it as a smartwatch as well. So when you're going out or anything, you can use this strap. But if you want to work out, this strap is going to help you even better because this strap is going to keep the band on your hand like firmly. It's not going to wobble or anything, but this one is not that one. This is not a sporty one, so if you are working out, it's going to wobble on your skin and it feels a little weird. Alright, now changing the strap is also really easy. So all you have to do is just push the unit down the other side and it will pop out. And to change the strap, just put in the strap from the other side and just push it in. Oh, all right, just push it all the way in and here you go. So as you can see, this is how it looks with the sporty band. And if you're wondering, it's like really firmly in there. It's not going to pop out or anything. It's really in there. Alright, so this is how the band looks like on the wrist, as you can see. Now let me just change it to the sporty one and show you how that one looks like. So this is the sporty one looks like. So as you can see, looks really good. And finally, to charge the band, all you have to do is just pop it out of the strap and pop in to the charger just like that, and it's on there. Now you just have to connect it to a power brick or your power bank. Even your computer can charge it easily, and it takes it about more than an hour to charge it completely from 0 to 100. Alright, let me just talk about the build quality real quick and just pop it out. And as you can see, the top is 2.5D curved glass and it feels really good. There's no button, there's no capacitive button. You just have to tap on the band to wake it up, and here is the Oppo branding, and this cover glass feels really nice. The casing of the band is completely polycarbonate, and these are all the sensors that it comes with, and these are the connectors for the chargers, so you can charge it. And alright, now let's talk about the display. This is a 1.1-inch AMOLED display, and the brightness may look dim to you in this video, but to be very honest, it's sufficient for you to check out everything on the display. And let me tell you that this display is right now at its 40% brightness, so if I turn it up to 100%, it's going to look real good on the video as well. So let me just do that. So settings, brightness, and as you can see, it's already on the 40%. If you go all the way to 100%, see, now it looks real good. And let me tell you guys, with this much brightness, you're not going to have any problem reading the content of the screen even in the sunlight. Yeah, that's really good. That's the beauty of AMOLED display. Alright guys, now let's talk about the user interface. As you can see, this is the default watch face that you get with the band, and if you swipe like that, you can navigate through the menu. And if you swipe like that, you can change the watch faces. So as you can see, this is the custom watch face that I used. I've changed the background image with my own, and it looks really good. By the way, this is a real photo that I took from my phone, and if you swipe more, this is the analog watch face that I chose, and this is the default one. So as you can see, the image quality of the display is really good. Like, everything looks really crisp on this. So even this image that I took from my phone, and even this graphic image from an anime, it looks really good. It looks really crisp to the eyes. It may not look very good on the video, but let me tell you guys, this is a really crisp image that you can expect from an AMOLED display. Alright guys, now let's show you all the features of the band. So if you tap on the watch face just like that, it's going to show you a little bit of information. As you can see, the Bluetooth icon shows if the band is connected with the phone or not. Then there's this DND icon right next to it. Then there's the battery. Then there are your steps, and then the calories burned. Then it's your date. If you tap again, it will go back to the home screen, as you can see. Now let's talk about all the features one by one. So as you can see, it shows your daily activity, everything, steps, calories, workout, activity, everything. Let's go back. Then it's workouts. So as I told you before, it comes with 14 workout modes. So these are all the workouts that you can choose from. Then this is the heart rate, so you can measure your heart rate manually, or you can set it to continuous, so it can automatically monitor your heart rate throughout the day. Then there's this SpO2 monitoring. As you can see, it monitors it just like that. By the way, this is also a continuous feature. You can set it to continuous in the app, and it's going to monitor your SpO2 levels throughout the day and give you a better data for your blood oxygen. Alright, then there is the sleep mode, so it's going to show you all the data when you're asleep. And this is the breathe feature, so it's going to help you meditate or something. Then there's weather, so it sync weather from your phone and shows you here. Then there are tools, so as you can see, you can control music from your band. You can use stopwatch. Then there's timer, alarm, camera. You can use your phone as a shutter button. Then there's find phone, so it's going to make your phone beep if you want to look for it. Then there are settings, so in the settings you get DND, you get brightness, and while we're at it, let me just change it back to 40 or 60. Alright, then there's display time. You can change the display time of the display, like when it's going to turn off, after how many seconds. Go back. Then there's vibration. You can change the vibration intensity, then this reset, shutdown and restart, and then there is this about band and regulatory info. If you go back, there are your messages, so all the messages from your phone are going to appear here. Alright guys, so the app that you're going to use with the band is the Hey Tap Health app, and this is the app looks like. This is the home page of the app and it shows you all the data right on the main screen. If you tap on one of the tab, so as you can see it shows you detailed information and everything about your data is right here on the home screen. And if you go to the fitness, it's going to let you map your route while you run or walk. That's a really good thing. Then there's manage, so this is the manage tab and it gives you all the settings about the band. As you can see, you can add more device here, you can get to the setting here, and it shows if your band is connected and the battery status. Alright, so this is the watch faces. If you click on edit, as you can see it shows all the watch faces that are available on the band right now. So as you can see, you can discover watch faces from here, and these are the only ones, and these are I think sufficient for your needs. Then their photo, you can use custom images on your watch face, that's a really good thing. Then there's world clock, so you can add more clocks to your band, and that's pretty much it for the watch faces. Now let's go to the alarm. This is the alarm. You can manage alarms from the app. You can get tips for your band if you want to know how to use it. Then there is sync phone notification, so you can enable disable apps that can send notification to your band. And as you can see it comes with 3 features, and these are really good features that you don't find on other bands, to be very honest. The top one is sync phone notification. You can enable disable notifications. The second feature is when not wearing device, so it's not going to sync notifications to your band when you're not wearing it. By default it's not going to send you notification when the band is not on your wrist, so that's a really good thing. And then there is the phone is unlocked. So if your phone is unlocked, you are looking at your phone screen, that means you don't want to get off from your screen and check out the notification on your band. So this is a really good feature, but if you still want to do that, you can enable these features. Then there is workout and health. So as you can see, you can set your goal, you can set your calorie goal, you can set up your reminders. Then heart rate tracking, you can enable continuous HR monitoring, you can enable SpO2 monitoring as well. Then there is device update. Then there are more features, so if you go to preferences, you can change your preferred wrist to wear your band on. Then there is raise to wake, you can enable or disable that. Then there is night mode, you can enable disable night mode, so it's going to reduce the brightness of the display to save you more battery. Then there is band apps, you can enable disable the menu, so as you can see here you can also as you can see you can rearrange them as well. Then there's about band and there's unpair. Alright guys, that was the Oppo band style, and to be very honest, this band gives you a lot more than what all the other brands are offering you from other brands. The first thing is of course the strap that you're getting here. You're getting 2 strap with a band. That's a really cool thing, you can change it whenever you like. The second thing is of course it gives you SpO2 monitoring, which not all the bands are giving you at this price range especially. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.